You gotta do a flip. You gotta do a flip. Oh, what? Hey y'all, my name is Ari. So today I'm going to be showing y'all my curly hair routine. This is probably my most highly requested video, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, I'm going to be spritzing my hair with water just to dampen it up a little bit. It's a little dry, so just make sure that you evenly spritz your whole head with water. And then next I'm going to be using my favorite conditioner. It's the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. It gives the bombest slip and it detangles your hair like no other conditioner I've ever tried. If you have curly hair and haven't tried this conditioner, I think you should really try it like ASAP, because you'll probably will never want to use conditioner that you're using ever again. Like, it's great. And then I'm just gonna detangle with my Denman brush. I really like to detangle with this brush because it smooths my knots out really easy. As you can see, like it's going through my hair like butter. Like ain't no knots, ain't no nothing with it. So next I'm just sectioning my hair off a little bit. That's how I put my styler in, so that I make sure that I get my styler in through every strand of hair. So first I'm just going to re-wet it so that my styler will easily distribute through it. And my styler choice is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Shea Moisture Soufflé. Now, I really like the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie by itself, but when you add the soufflé with it, it's like a miracle. It's like two peas in a pod. Like, you can't use one without the other, in my opinion. So what I'm doing, I'm just raking the smoothie through my hair first, and then after that I'm going to follow up with the soufflé. So then I'm going to go back in with my Denman brush, because not only does this brush detangle, it also defines your curls. Like, it'll turn your little frizzy curls into ringlets. Like, this is my favorite tool ever. It's my favorite brush. It literally just makes your curls pop so much better after you use it with your styler. And I'll also make sure to leave the link to all of the products I use down in the description box, so make sure you take a look. And then what basically you're going to do is just repeat the process. Just spritz, detangle, smoothie, soufflé. And that's really all. Okay, so fast forward to me diffusing my hair. Once you get all the product distributed through your whole entire head, you can start diffusing. The actual blow dryer to this certain diffuser broke, which is why I have to hold the diffuser to the blow dryer. Don't judge me, y'all, but it still works. So why I like to diffuse is because, first of all, it dries your hair completely faster than air drying, and secondly, I feel like it adds way more volume and way more life to your hair. I noticed that when I diffuse over blow drying, my hair looks so much more defined and so much bigger. So next, for some extra volume, I'm just going to take out my pick and I'm just going to pick my roots out so that my hair is like way more voluminous, because yeah, you see that? Big hair is just everything, like, to me, and that's just what I love to do. So lastly, I'm going to take some coconut oil just to seal in all the moisture from the stylers I used. I prefer coconut oil over any other oil in my hair. A lot of people think coconut oil is a styler. It's not. It's actually like a really good sealant. It's not a moisturizer, it's a sealant. So when you use it after your stylers, it just locks in all the moisture that you originally got. So now I'm just going to lay my edges with the Care Edge Tamer. I forgot to show the actual product, but I'll link it down in the description box for you. And now we're finished. Here you can see my curls have so much bounce. They're so defined. They're like ringlets. Like, this curly hair routine is solid, girl. Let me tell you. Just look at it, just flowing. What? Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.